tilkar rusulu. Best way is when you don't understand, take some time and analyze each and every one. So this is definite or indefinite? Definite. Tilka, demonstrative noun, so definite. Singular, feminine, and in we don't know. We don't know, but we'll make final inference that which construction is this, then we'll find out the Sarab. Okay? Ar-rusulu. This is definite. This is singular. This is feminine. Ar-rusulu. Why feminine? Because of broken plural. And this is in Rafa form. Now, since this starts with alif lam, so this is the demonstrative construction, so we'll conclude that this is also Rafa form. So this is demonstrative construction, incomplete demonstrative construction. Those messengers, such messengers, incomplete sentence. Okay? What other example was it now? Dalikal kitabu. Dalikal kitabu. Again, this is definite, singular, masculine, and this is also definite, singular, masculine, and in Rafa form. So this is also in Rafa form. So this is incomplete demonstrative construction. Dalikal kitabu, that book. Sister, to make it that is a book, what should you do? If you say that is a book, what change you have to make in it?
The other lamb, this is a book. هذا كتاب.
هذا kitabun, simply you have to make it nakira. Zalika kitabun, that is a book. Zalika, alif lam is removed, tanveer will come back. Zalika kitabun, that is a book. Zalikal kitabu, that book. Again, it's an idiom which counts. Here we have removed alif lam, the volume has reduced, but in English translation, you add is. So it's not the word, it's the idiom which counts. In English, that idea is expressed with the word is. Arabs don't use is. They express the same idea by making this is already marfa, by making this nakira, simply. Indefinite. Hadani khasmani. Khasm is enemy. लोली साहब सेन समझो तुसी इसाक साहब इन पंजाबी खसम इज द हस्बैंड
जैसी सारी बातें हैं चार
हाज़ानी खसमानी these two are enemies, are opponents. हाज़ानी खसमानी, these are two enemies, or these two are enemies. Yes?
So how would you say these two enemies?
Hazanil khasmani.
Because you said these two are enemies. So there's a difference.
Yeah.
Okay, I see. The enemies, these are the okay.
These two enemies, you will have alif lam here. When you have to say is, you have to remove alif lam from here.
So what was the translation for this?
Hazani khasmani, these are two enemies.
These are.
And hazanil khasmani, these two enemies. Dalikal khizyul azimu. ذَلِكَ الْخِزْيُ الْعَظِيمُ. Khizyun, humiliation. Al-khizyul azimu. First analyze this. No, keep this aside. Al-khizyul azimu. Analysis first. Definite. This is definite. This is masculine. This is masculine. This is singular. This is singular. This is in Rafa form. This is in Rafa form. Matching. So this is qualifying construction. Al-khizyul azimu, great humiliation. And zalikal khizyul azimu, that is a great, zalikal khizyul azimu, that great humiliation. But if you have to say that is a great humiliation, you will remove alif lam from here, and so would it get removed from here. Zalika khizyun azimun, that is a great humiliation.
Too fast.
Too fast. Oh, sorry.
Have to repeat the whole thing.
Okay.
Not just for me. There's
No, no, no. I agree with you.
Get it. I'm not going to stop.
There is a Quranic construction. Zalikal khizyul azimu. Zalikal khizyul azimu. Khizyun is humiliation. First, take the separate words. Khizyun, a humiliation. Humiliation. Right? Azim, great. Azim, great. Khizyun azimun, a great humiliation. Like Kitabun Hakimun, Khizyun azimun, a great humiliation. The great humiliation would be Al-khizyul azimu. Khizyun azimun, a great humiliation. But when you say the great humiliation, you will simply add al here. Al-khizyul azimu. No, it will just be computerized now. When you add alif lam in the beginning, you have to remove tanween, because that's a blender of the language. So the great humiliation would be al-khizyul azimu. You have to say that great humiliation. Simply you will add dhalika here.
When did you add the in front of azrim?
Because this is qualification. Sifat, if mawsoof is marifa, sifat has to become marifa.
So ذلك الخزي العظيم,
That great humiliation. Incomplete sentence. But now you have to make a complete sentence telling that that is a great humiliation. Now you will remove alif lam from here again. Dhalika khizyun azimun, that is a great humiliation. That great humiliation, zalikal khizyul azimu. That is a great humiliation, zalika khizyun azimun. The pattern is zalika kitabun, zalikal kitabu.
I'm confused. Okay, that is a great humiliation, and another one.
No.
Is,
that is a great humiliation.
yeah. Then this is the same.
That is this one, zalika khizyun azimun.
Okay.
But if you want to say that is the great humiliation, you will say zalika huwal khizyul azimu. Like ulaika humul muflihuna.
You add another one. We go back. Okay.
No, you already understood ulaika humul muflihun?
Please, not just for me.
No.
Here.
I'm saying relate to that one. We studied ulaika muflihuna, ulaika al-muflihuna, and ulaika humul muflihuna.
I read the Quran. I know.
No.
They don't know.
No. In the class we did just now.
yes, please sir.
You didn't follow that at that time?
Not
Sir,
my problem.
sir.
My kids don't understand.
Okay.
They're not coming
Basically
tomorrow. if
she's
you're
asking you
coming
to
here.
repeat. She's asking you to repeat, and she asks you not for herself.
Okay.
Because this
Okay.
sitting behind our desk.
Okay. Are you with me?
Ask them.
You, both. Are you with me?
Yeah.
Khizyun is humiliation. Azimun is great. A qualifying construction is khizyun azimun, a great humiliation.
Okay, ask them to repeat, they understand. They say yes, but they don't.
Repeat with me.
This is what I said when you asked them, you are with me. I said, now they are with you. Before that, they were not here.
Now you have to get exposed. So say khizyun azimun. Repeat with me. Khizyun azimun. Azim, a great humiliation. Okay? Then the great humiliation. Al khizyul azimu. Hada kitabun. No, let me ask him. What's the meanings of this hada kitabun? Kitabun. This is a book. This is a complete sentence. Hazal kitabu, this is an incomplete sentence. This book.
Not the translation, this is the book.
Okay. This is the book. Hada huwal kitabu. You know that the book is al kitabu. A book is kitabun. All right. But the problem is, when you say hazal kitabu, it becomes this construction. Not to let it confuse with this construction, huwa is added simply.
Okay, you said huwa is either he or it.
It.
So huwal, hada huwal kitabu, this is it.
No. You have not to translate the word it here. I told you, this huwa has only been added to resolve this confusion. Not to get it confused with this.
Remember, this is because there is no helping verb in it.
Yes, absolutely.
This is why this whole thing is happening.
Basically, who
There's
is
no to
just
be,
like-
is, there's no is.
He's very right.
And because of that, we have to somehow accommodate. In Arabic, what they do is they add.
There is no helping verb. There is a helping verb, but for a complete sentence, they don't need a helping verb.
This is just like.
That's the problem. This is that book. Haza zalikal kitabu. That is in the beginning of Quran. If you read the tafsir of first ayah of Surah Al-Baqarah, they say why it is zalikal kitabu. It is that very book which you were looking for, which you were waiting for. La raiba fi, without any doubt. It's that very book which we were looking for, without any doubt. Now we come with a wise book. Haza kitabun hakimun.
That's good.
Right? Then this is a wise book. This is a wise book. Hazal kitabul hakimu. This wise book.
This is the right book.
No. This wise book. And Hada huwal kitabul hakimu. This is the wise book. Now, parallel to this is the plural form the same as khizyul azimu. Instead of kitab, it is khizyun, and instead of hakim, that is azimun. Yes.
If you see how kitab is a masculine word, if you use the feminine word, would it be hadhihi, hiya, instead of what?
No, if in Arabic had the word kitab been feminine, would have used hiya here and hazi here.
That's what he's saying.
Sin in Arabic, kitab is masculine.
Yeah.
In Urdu, kitab is feminine. And in English, it's nothing. Common gender.
If it's a feminine word, then it's hadihi.
Yeah. Like tilka rusulu. Like tilka rusulu. Since the rusul are broken plural, treated technically as singular feminine, so that is tilka rusulu, not dhalika rusulu. Not ulaika rusulu, tilka rusulu.